it's so much better in your back pose. Stand up tall. Yeah, there you go, Amy. So good.
Thank you. I can feel it, definitely. That's right, right where it's sore.
Since you have some time between today and tomorrow, do you have anyone there with you? I don't know if you're like planning on like leaving the host hotel or that can like run out and grab you stuff, or if you want to go yourself. But if you have time, getting like one of the like heating packs, you probably used them on your back before, like for your lower back.
Oh,
You
yeah.
can leave that on like when you sleep tonight, and you'll wake up tomorrow feeling a lot better. That way you don't have that discomfort when you get on stage.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah, there you go. Good. Nice. Let's do that back walk one more time. So remember, as soon as you come out of your back pose, so you can keep going.
Okay.
Go ahead and hit your back pose. Remember, left toe in front of right foot. Right foot in front of left toe, right? So as soon as you, again, with the crossing of your toes, one side is coming over a little bit more than the other. So you're losing that like angle that you're getting in your back walk. So try and remember when you start walking, instead of like getting more comfortable as you work your way into it, as soon as you start your walk, you want to be in like walking. Yeah, there you go. Good. And open up those elbows. A tiny bit. Yeah, there you go. Good. Okay, ladies, please walk to the back curtain. Yes. Yes, girl. You're nailing that back walk.
Yay.